Hi, my name is Carrie Darty and I'm the owner of the Mad Herbalist. Thanks for taking time to learn a little bit more about our beautiful cafe. So the Mad Herbalist concept started as a thought of my daughter's back in 2018. And she and I walked this cabin for many, many days trying to figure out exactly how we wanted to create something incredibly unique for Clarksville. And we did. We created a tea house and cafe that's unlike anything you'll see in quite a few states, honestly. We have wonderful customers that tell us how unique we are. So we are excited to say that we have been here since 2018. And we're working hard every day to bring interesting, dynamic things to this community. The property is 3 acres, so Mad Herbalist only takes up a very little tiny spot of that, but we have actually a walking path all the way around the property that people can enjoy. They can take their tea and stroll. They can enjoy just time with friends underneath our patio. There's a beautiful old chime that blows in the wind, and it just gives an incredibly relaxing experience for people. We chose the coconut curry soup because we feel like it really embodies what the Mad Herbalist is. It's got that wonderful flavor profile of ginger and the comfortness of sweet potatoes in it, which really embodies what we are. We're this warm, inviting, comfortable place to be. And the rice is lovely. It gives a little bit of texture, which is a little different and unique. So it's kind of what the Mad Herbalist is. So to our wonderful Clarksville community, we're so excited that you have supported us over all these years. It really is important, and supporting local is so important as well. So thank you very, very much for the time and the energy that you've given to us, and we're going to give it all back to you.